Happy spring, everyone. This is the Skin Saint here to talk to you about what sunblocks do you need essentially right now to start protecting your skin from the sun. Not all sunblocks are created equal, and you need to know which ones are great for your face, regardless of your skin type, which ones are great for the body, which ones are great for the pool. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, you need to know which one is right for you. I have a few different sunblocks here from my medical line that I'm going to introduce you to and help you distinguish which one is best for you. First, we have our Physical Defense Tinted SPF 44. This product is everything in one. But it's for sensitive skins that are prone to redness, maybe rosacea. It's an excellent product for those types because rosacea cannot have chemicals on the skin, and chemical sunblocks are one of the worst things if you're redness or rosacea prone. So this product I love because it's giving you the UVA protection, the UVB in a physical block that has antimicrobial effects, which again is great for rosacea. If you have sensitive skin in general, this is the one you're going to love. It also has a tint, so it's your makeup, your moisturizer, and your sunblock in one, and it's also great because it's oil free, so you won't have that greasy feeling on the skin. Next, I love to talk about is my Clear Defense SPF 45 and my Clear Defense Oil-Free SPF 46. These two I love because if you're going for a walk with the dog and you want a tint on the skin and you also want some sunblock protection, this is absolutely for you. One last thing that's in here is something called niacinamide. Niacinamide stimulates collagen, but it also refines the pores and brightens the skin. So it's one extra layer of protection against the sun if you're prone to brown spots or melasma. Lastly, it's important with the body, we protect our bodies. We tend to put sunblock on our face and then we drive and we forget our necks and our hands and our arms. And at the pool, we tend to have formulations that don't stay on the skin when we go swimming. So it's really important we protect our skin so our face and our body skin matches each other, because one of the biggest complaints women have is that they start doing rejuvenation with their face and then their body looks older, so we don't want to have that happen. What I love about my Sport SPF 50 is it does stay on the skin for 80 minutes long, so you want to make sure when you're out and if you are swimming, reapply your sunblock. Also apply your sunblocks a half an hour before you leave, because it does take that time to make sure you have full coverage and protection. This is lightweight. You also have antioxidant protection, so it's not just a sunblock. You're also stimulating collagen and you're preventing that aging process in the skin, all in one formulation. If you work out, go outside, do yoga, even on the boat, this would be a great product to put on. So I hope you enjoyed this and it educates you that not every sunblock is created equal, and we have something for everyone here in the Skin Saint line. I hope to see you soon.